Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. We want to solve a question in balancing of chemical equation. And if you look at the board, the question reads, balance the equation where ethane gas reacts with oxygen gas to afford water and carbon dioxide gas. The essence of balancing the equation is to conform to the law of conservation of matter, which states that in the course of chemical reaction, mass or matter can neither be created nor destroyed. To balance this equation means to ensure that the total number of atoms at the right hand side is equal to the total number of atoms at the left hand side, or the number of atoms of any individual element at the left is equal to the number of atoms of the element at the right, to ensure that no mass was gained or lost. So to balance this, we rewrite the equation. After that, you start balancing atom by atom. Remember, you can check that the atoms are balanced by writing the atomicity of each substance here. Carbon is 2 atoms, hydrogen is 6 atoms, oxygen is 2 atoms. Here, hydrogen is 2 atoms, oxygen is 1 atom, and carbon is 1 atom, and oxygen is 2 atoms. So now, coming to the left, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. Here, the total number is 6, so it's not balanced. So, having satisfied that the equation is not balanced, we balance it atom by atom. Carbon is 2 here. Coming here, carbon is 1. So, the 1 multiplied by 2 to give you, it will give you 2. 2, carbon is now 2 at the right hand side and 2 at the left. We come to hydrogen. Hydrogen is 6. Here, it is 2. So, what do you multiply 2 with to get 6? And that is 3. 3 times 2, 6. Hydrogen is conserved. Oxygen is 2 at the left, but here, this 3, remember, it governs both hydrogen and oxygen. So as hydrogen is 3 times 2, 6. Oxygen is 3 times 1, 3. Oxygen is 3 here, plus 2 times 2, 4. So the total number of oxygen here is 7, while the number of oxygen here is 2. So we want to write a number here that will multiply 2 to get 7. A number that will multiply 2 to get 7. Remember, if you check, you see that no whole number can multiply 2 to get 7. It's actually a fraction. Once you discover that that number is a fraction, which means the number is not far-fetched, you get it from this 7 and 2. So that number is 7 over 2. So once you find out a case like this, where you get 7, which is not a whole number at the product side, and a whole number 2 at the reactant, 7, which is not an even number, but an odd number at the product side, and 2, which is even number at the reactant side. What you do is to kindly write that 7, that odd number 7 on top, and write the 2 you are saying here below to get a fraction. But in real sense, a molecule is discrete. There is no fractional molecule anywhere. So to clear this fraction, you multiply by 2, which is the denominator. Use 2 and multiply every substance here. So what do we have? You multiply this by 2 and you have 2C2H6 plus multiply 7 over 2 by 2. 7 over 2 multiplied by 2, you get 7. So here it becomes 7O2. Multiply 3 by 2, we get 6 water molecules. Finally, multiply 2 by 2, you get 4 carbon dioxide molecules. If you check again, you will see that the equation is balanced. Carbon is 2 times 2, 4 here. Hydrogen is 2 times 6, 12. Oxygen is 7 times 2, 14. Hydrogen is 6 times 2, 12. Oxygen is 6 times 1, 6. Carbon is 4, plus 4 times 2. Oxygen is 8. If you check the total number here, 12 plus 4, 16, plus 14, that is 30. Also here, 12 plus 6, 18, plus 4, 22, plus 8, 30. If you also check individually, carbon is 4 here, and if you check here, carbon is 4. Hydrogen is 2 times 6, 12. Hydrogen is 6 times 2, 12. Oxygen is 7 times 2, 14. Oxygen is 6 here, plus 4 times 2, 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So the equation is balanced.